In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Moomoo to TradingView, a task that can significantly enhance your trading experience by bringing together the best of both platforms. If you've been looking for a seamless way to access detailed stock analysis and advanced charting tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to connect these platforms effortlessly. So let's dive in. To get started, open your browser and head over to TradingView's website. TradingView is widely admired for its user-friendly interface, which provides an optimal ground for analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you will want to do is click on the SuperCharts option. This will take you to an area where you can view and manipulate detailed charts. The SuperCharts feature is particularly powerful, offering a range of analytical tools that can help you understand market behaviors and potential investment opportunities. Once you've accessed the SuperCharts section, look towards the bottom area of the screen and locate the Trading panel. Click on it. This is your hub for connecting TradingView with various broker services. The Trading panel is a comprehensive feature that allows you to integrate real-time data and execute trades directly from your charts, streamlining the entire trading process. After opening the Trading panel, you'll see a button that says Show All Brokers. Clicking this option will reveal a list of available brokers that can be connected to TradingView. It's a useful feature if you're interested in exploring what other brokers have to offer. But for today, our focus remains on connecting Moomoo. Now, scroll through this list to find Moomoo. If your list is long, you can use the search function to make it quicker. Selecting Moomoo from the broker list will initiate the process of linking your accounts. You'll need to ensure you have your Moomoo account details handy, as these will be required for the connection process. Finally, click on the connection option for Moomoo and follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and complete the connection process. Depending on your settings, you may need to provide additional authentication, but once this is done, your account will be linked. This integration allows you to execute trades and monitor your investments directly through TradingView's platform, leveraging Moomoo's resources and tools. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to connect Moomoo to TradingView. This setup can save you time and effort while providing comprehensive data and resources to guide your trading decisions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy trading.